Hello, for my walk in London today I'm going to Holland Park, which is in Kensington. First of all, I'm going to Earls Court tube station to look at a restored information board. There are 4 information boards or destination boards at Earls Court. They're a legacy of past times, with a simple arrow lighting up next to the destinations to indicate where the next train is heading to. The destination boards were added to the station in 1905 when the district line switched from steam trains to electric and a new signalling system was installed. Transport for London took the decision to restore the display signs and to make them work with 21st century signals. They were back in service in 2022. I'm heading left out of Earls Court station onto Earls Court Road, which is busy around the clock. Look who's here. Exterminate! A number of famous faces lived in this street, including Kenny Everett, who had his studio here, and actor Derek Nimmo. Holland Park starts where Earls Court Road meets Kensington High Street. Holland Park gets its name from Holland House, which was destroyed by a bomb during World War II. The Design Museum is in the corner of the park and features various exhibitions. There are lots of walks and areas to discover in Holland Park, which in the summer features opera in the park. This is the Dutch Garden. The Kyoto Garden was opened in 1991 as a gift from the city of Kyoto to commemorate the long-standing friendship between Britain and Japan. And that was my walk around Holland Park. It's well worth spending an hour or perhaps a bit more here in the park. It's easy to get to, lots of tube stations around. Earls Court is about 15 minutes away. Also there's Kensington Olympia, Kensington High Street and Holland Park station itself, which is on the Central Line. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think and I'll see you next time.